Hi, my name's Ben and this is my Pennine Way journey. I decided that I was going to do the Pennine Way a few months back because I just needed to get out and get some headspace. The last couple of years has been quite tough, as in my partner got thyroid cancer and had to go for an operation to have it removed, and yeah, it's been quite an intense couple of years. As my partner starts to recover and we realise that we need some independence back, you've then got to find ways to do that. I only had a limited amount of time. I only had 10 days. And I just thought, just get on the trail, start walking and see what happens.
It begins. There's the Nag's Head. There's the first sign for the trail. The weather's just grim. The wind's really high, it's raining, but we'll see. It is brutal up on the tops. This section's just gonna be me getting absolutely battered by the wind, which is pretty cool because I've just got out of the tent. Isla's all curled up and she looks proper cute, and Emma's just moreish, like to cuddle. So I was having a bit of a teary moment when I set off hiking, and then so that's helped me forget. Right, anyway.
So we walked up onto Kinder Scout, and I'll be honest, I was feeling like, what have I let myself in for? My mind was telling me that maybe I shouldn't, maybe I should stop, and I was just worried.
Yeah, I've met this fella called Dexter.
I love hiking, I love being outdoors. Yeah, at the moment I'm half training for the PCT, so I'm trying to get out every weekend and do a big walk. Yeah, this weekend specifically is a bit weird, so my girlfriend broke up with me on Tuesday. I would have otherwise been spending this with her, so this was a last minute decision to come out and do a little bit of the Pennine Way. And yeah, super cool, I've met Ben. We've had some crazy weather, but it's also been a bit of a metaphor for me with the skies clearing now, so in a pretty good space right now.
Left his girlfriend to come and hike out here with me, unbeknownst to him. He really helped to take my mind off the fact that I was actually feeling quite miserable. And Bleak Low lives up to its name. It was pretty bleak up there and the cloud was pretty low.
Dropping down to the reservoir here. We've done Kinder Scout and Bleak Low. The body's feeling good. I'm looking forward to getting my tent up tonight and getting some chill time because it's been pretty brutal.
As we dropped down off Bleak Low and started heading towards the reservoirs, the cloud lifted and we started to get a view, and everything just started to feel a little bit more comfortable. The climb up onto Black Hill was quite long and steady. We made it to the summit of Black Hill, and that's where Dexter left. He cut off towards Home Firth. He carried on north, down into a little valley, into a little dip, where I found a nice sheltered spot next to the river to set up my tent.
I have stopped hiking and I've pitched and I've eaten some food. It's pissing it down with rain. It's been cold and grim all day. I am now going to get in my sleeping bag. Well, I'm in my sleeping bag, and I'm gonna call it a day.
If you're enjoying these videos, please hit that circle subscribe button there. Hit the thumbs up. If you've got any questions, leave me a comment. I will be back next Monday with day 2 of my Pennine Way adventure. In a bit.